Returning to the Crypto Q media channel brings us joy. Salutations, all. How are you doing? If what I'm about to tell you in this video turns out to be accurate, it might have a major effect on Jasmy and XRP. You should certainly maintain vigilance, but we will do our best to clarify it in the video. Please, as usual, subscribe so that we may continue this conversation. Stay up to date with the latest developments in the Bitcoin business by subscribing to updates. A tweet caught my eye, and I'd like to provide my 2 cents on it. So, what are some traders going to do about this? Therefore, we will start at the beginning to recap. Based on what we know from Dip Metaverse, this post implies that Jasmy will be an investment for Ripple. If it hasn't happened already, you can call me crazy by the end of summer 2025. He does a courageous thing by saying that Ripple thinks they may put money into Jasmy if we don't succeed. Japanese and South Korean blockchain firms are the focus of a recently established Ripple fund. 1 billion XRP, or about $475 million to $500 million at today's prices, will be invested by the fund. We can now see why our CFOs mentioned South Korea and other Asian countries as potential investors in Jasmy's business, given that Jasmy has been actively cultivating new ties. Between now and then, since Rip Puff just declared a big acquisition of a firm, it is widely known that they had met God. Among many other things, digital assets have a uniform charter and play a big part in Japan's national plan. This involves XRP. Although there can be conflicts of interest in any other scenario, it seems like there are just a few famous blockchain companies they can invest in through exchanges. Now, let's shift gears and discuss Japan. There are 3 Japanese crypto projects that I am aware of that have collaborative ventures with Ripple. Jasmy GT is one of them, along with 2 others. Node validators on the XR place for different collaborations are already known to include SBI, as I indicated earlier. Furthermore, Houston kindly informed us a few days ago that Japanese venture capitalists are now able to invest in blockchain firms thanks to a regulation that was established in Japan. This establishes a Ripple in Japan and ties the 2 countries. Jasmy has friendly relationships with SBI and Genki, and there is a joint venture between SBI and Ripple. Remember, ODM, that Jasmy and SBI are partners, and that Ripple and SBI are too. Hence, there was clearly a triangle formed by these 3. Furthermore, bear in mind that the Japanese government's tax break legislation were the driving force behind the widespread acceptance of Bitcoin in that country. Intriguingly, an image starts to form. However, Hanza goes so far as to claim that Genki Oda was Jasmy's teacher in the photo below. Reportedly, the Winklevoss twins played a significant role in the 2021 autumn Jasmy listing on Bitcoin. We will start in Japan because their policies are among of the most blockchain-friendly. When they say East, what they mean is Asia. On top of that, Ripples appeared to concur. Japanese planning is extremely methodical. In regards to the introduction of new laws and the shift to blockchain and cryptocurrency environments, the versatile Jasmy will be the spotlight as the Jasmy MERS from the front row perform. According to this report, the general consensus is that Ripple will launch its new fund to promote blockchain innovation in 2022, the year of digital assets. Once again, Japanese experts debate the real value of cryptocurrencies, with an emphasis on Genki order customers. Again, this is having an effect on SBI, Soto. The subject is absolutely captivating. Additionally, as previously stated, this could potentially have significant consequences for Jasmy and XRP should it be confirmed. Moreover, there are a lot of indicators that this could be correct. Do not discount the validity of our aspirations that Jasmy would be linked with Rapport just because they have not materialized thus far. It is important to proceed with caution when drawing conclusions without solid proof. Many people's dreams and aspirations are dependent on these markets. It appears this is the first of many investigations that we will be conducting. To ensure that you are the first to know about any new information, we ask that you subscribe to our channel. But for Jasmy holders right now, what does that mean? The 54th biggest cryptocurrency by market capitalization, it has been doing an amazing job. And now there has been a huge spike in transaction volume. A 110% increase in the past 24 hours, skyrocketed about 5 million. We will be watching the charts closely to see whether we can break through a significant resistance level and keep going up towards the 4-cent barrier in the near future. but, on a broader scale, Jazz might attempt to break through and move even higher. I can understand why many are interested in Bitcoin's future prospects. Its value has lately ranged from $66 to $687,000, for instance. When the retest is about to begin, what is Jasmy doing? It was flying high yesterday on the basis of a great green candle, but it's significantly lower now. It is prudent to hold in the 3-7 zone. A closer look at the chart reveals that Jasmy has previously done the same thing. Just as XRP has huge future potential, Jasmy must take the next step. These partnerships are paying off. Ripple has already shown the world what their real USDT is. Stable coins, such as the US dollar, are humiliating. There is a lot of buzz around Bitcoin ETF right now because it is the first to launch the Ethereum ETFs. On the other hand, a slew of altcoins, including Jasmy XRP, and businesses, including Aerodrome Finance and Casper, are hatching plans for a big shakeup very soon. The result is determined by chance. To make sure you don't miss anything, read the description carefully and click the notification bell, but this crypto channel will be the first to bring it to you. We would much appreciate it if you could provide your thoughts on our impending token launch. Skilled traders in this industry will surely be interested in the fantastic trading opportunities that lie ahead. Does this have any basis in reality? Is the whole Jasmy and XRP thing, though, just conjecture gone mad? I was hoping you might tell me what you think about this. I'm really curious. That is the end of the video. It would mean a lot to me if you could subscribe and like my channel. Thank you so much. Leave.